Student Loan Forgiveness Plan 2023. In this video, we are going to go over the status of the student loan debt relief plan, as well as when those student loan payments will resume. So make sure you're watching till the very end, and welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. Now, student loan debt in the US is totaling nearly $1.8 trillion. Unfortunately, the more than 3-year long pause on the federal loan payments is scheduled to finally end, unfortunately, again, sadly, very soon. The Biden administration is preparing borrowers for their payments to resume by September. The debt ceiling deal passed by Congress recently included a provision officially terminating the pandemic-era relief policy, making it harder for the U.S. Department of Education to extend. Now, on the studentaid.gov website, they do have a disclaimer that courts have issued orders blocking the student debt relief program. As a result, at this time, they are not accepting applications. If you have already applied, they will hold your application as they try to overturn these orders. Now, the student loan payment pause is extended until the U.S. Department of Education is permitted to implement the debt relief program. If the debt relief program has not been implemented by June 30th, 2023, payments unfortunately will resume 60 days after June 30th. And with so many struggling at this moment, inflation, prices are high, people cannot afford to take on another debt. Hopefully, this relief plan will move forward. Reminder, the plan included $20,000 in debt relief if you receive a federal Pell Grant in college, as well as up to $10,000 in debt relief if you didn't receive a Pell Grant in college and you had to meet certain income requirements. The debt relief only applies to balances you had before June 30th, 2022. Any new loans distributed on or after July 1st, 2022 were not eligible for the student debt relief. Now, here are the income standards. Hopefully, the plan will move forward so you can see if you are eligible, if you do currently have student debt. Unfortunately, it is not looking good right now, because House Republicans passed a resolution on Wednesday that would overturn President Joe Biden's student loan cancellation plan, but the White House is planning to veto that plan. Currently, it is with the Supreme Court at the moment. Republicans are stating they are against the Biden student debt relief plan because he overstepped his authority and illegally sidestepped Congress in pursuit of the loan cancellation. They are stating that it is too expensive and it unfairly benefits college graduates at the expense of taxpayers who didn't go to college. Please share with us in the comments how you are feeling about the Republican stand on their reason for wanting to cancel the student debt relief plan. The Democrats, on the other hand, are stating that Biden's plan gives needed relief to Americans hit hardest by the pandemic. They argue that the federal law gives the Education Department authority to cancel student loans, and hopefully they are correct. Now, the Congressional Budget Office estimate that the Biden's one-time cancellation plan would cost about $315 billion. The Supreme Court is now weighing the plan after hearing arguments in February, and a decision is expected in the coming weeks.